Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about more new features that we found in Beta 3. There's 20 plus more features that we discussed in the last video, but these are a couple extras that popped up. So let's dive right in. RCS messages has been released, of course. So if we go to our settings here, we go down to our apps and we go to messages and we go down to where it says RCS messaging. RCS has its own section now. So if we go to RCS messages, I have two SIM cards on this phone, so it does show two different lines. For people that only have one line on their phone, it's only going to show you RC messages turned on, just like how it shows here, but except for instead of two lines that I have, it'll be one line to show for everyone else. RCS messaging is available in more countries and more carriers with Beta 3, such as Canada and the US and other carriers. Later down the road, we'll see what other carriers will provide RCS messaging. So if we go to our control center here and we connect our AirPods or AirPods Max and we press and hold for devices that have like the AirPods Pro so if you press on this button here for devices that have transparency and noise canceling, now it's working. Before in Beta 2, it was not working for paired devices. Same thing goes for our control center. So if we tap on here on control center, now these options are working properly as they should. So if we tap on one of our options here, it gives you a drop down menu and it works. It's not glitching like it did before. So if we go back to our home page and we press and hold and hit edit, customize, if we go back to tinted actually, and if we change the colors, so let's just keep it here. Let's keep it here at blue. So now the colors are more defined and more contrasty than we did in Beta 2. So we do have a new app for passwords. So now Passwords has its own little app here, and it's much easier to navigate and delete or add new passwords to the app. Apple has introduced vehicle motion cues now. So if people that are using their phone in the car while they're driving, a lot of people get kind of like car sick easily. So now with motion cues, if you want to turn it on, we go to our settings, we go down to accessibilities, and we go down to motion, we go to where it says motion cue, and we could turn this on, and then here is a new splash page. So vehicle motion cues may help reduce motion sickness. Dots appear near iPhone screen edges move with vehicle motion and may help reduce motion sickness. Appearance in moving vehicle. The dots will automatically appear when the vehicle starts moving. Works best when facing forward. The dots are optimized for facing forward in a moving vehicle. Quickly change in control center. You can quickly turn the vehicle motion cues on and off in control center. So if we hit continue, this is the example that it's given here. So when you're starting to drive in the vehicle, those dots that you see here on the edge of the phone will start moving left to right, up and down, depending on when the vehicle turns. The dots move side to side and forwards and backwards. So let's continue. When the vehicle changes speed, dots move forward and backwards like I just said. Let's continue, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. You just turn that on or off. So we have a new update to our emojis and stickers. So if we go to our emojis here, go over to stickers, search under emojis, and if we type in, say, dog, it will search the sticker that is associated with the word that you search. So I have stickers of dogs here, and it'll pop up those stickers and plus other more emojis. We're looking up words in the whole system, say in Safari or iBooks. If we open up a page here, for example, and if we press and hold on any word, press and hold on any word, and we hit lookup, before we only had one or two, now we have a ton more search results that we could look at. And if we keep scrolling, it gives you much more information for that specific word. If we go to the App Store here, and if we go to search, it now shows us your most recently searched. Before it did not. Now you could see what you searched in the past, but you could always clear the search history by doing that, and it clears it right away. So there's one new feature in the camera app. So if we hit our camera here, if you want to take a photo, you just press the top button here and go to our timer. Now you have one new option. So before we had 3 seconds and 10 seconds. Now we have 3, 5, and 10 seconds for the timer. We have new health widgets for the lock screen. So if we swipe down here and press and hold, hit customize, and then Let's actually get rid of this one here real quick. And if we scroll down to the health app, we get now new overnight vitals. So if we keep scrolling here, we get new kind of layouts, and these I don't know if they're working yet or not, but these are now more new widget options for the health app. And that's it, you guys. Those are a couple new other features in beta 3. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below, click subscribe if you haven't yet already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.